Lesson number 14. Looking at solutions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to convert concentration in grams per decimeter cubed into moles per decimeter cubed, and vice versa. Analytical chemists working for the Trading Standards Department check the contents of products to see if manufacturers' claims are true. On a contents label, the mass of each solid is usually given in grams. If the substance is a solution, it is given as a concentration. This is a measure of the amount of the substance dissolved in a given volume. On a contents list, it is usually given in grams per decimeter cubed. However, chemists often work in moles and tend to use moles per decimeter cubed for concentrations. To change concentrations from one form to another, you need to know the mass of 1 mole of the solute. Therefore, 1 gram per decimeter cubed is equal to 1 mole per decimeter cubed times the mass of 1 mole. For example, the label on a bottle of Bleacho claims it contains at least 65 grams per decimeter cubed of sodium hypochlorite. Chemists in a Trading Standards laboratory found the concentration of sodium hypochlorite in Bleacho to be 0.65 moles per decimeter cubed. Was the label correct? The formula for sodium hypochlorite is NaOCl. The relative formula mass is 74.5. Therefore, 1 mole would weigh 74.5 grams. Therefore, the grams per decimeter cubed equals the moles per decimeter cubed times the mass of 1 mole. This equals 0.65 times 74.5. The concentration equals 48.43 grams per decimeter cubed, and so the label was clearly wrong. For concentrations in grams per decimeter cubed, C equals M divided by V, where C equals the concentration in grams per decimeter cubed, M equals the mass of solute in grams, and V equals the volume of solution in decimeter cubed. For concentrations in moles per decimeter cubed, C equals N divided by V, where C is the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, N is the number of moles, and V is the volume of solution in decimeters cubed. Here are the conversion factors for different volumes. 1 decimeter cubed equals 1000 centimeters cubed, which equals 1000 milliliters or 1 liter. This triangle may help when calculating concentrations and moles. N stands for the number of moles, C stands for the concentration in moles per decimeter cubed, and V stands for the volume in decimeters cubed. In this worked example, the contents label of a bottle of vinegar, chemical name ethanoic acid, claims that the concentration of acid is 38.5 grams per decimeters cubed. 1 mole of ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, is 60 grams. Part A. What mass of ethanoic acid is dissolved in 150 centimeters cubed of vinegar? And B. What is the concentration of ethanoic acid in vinegar in moles per decimeter cubed? In answering Part A, the concentration equals the mass of the solute divided by the volume. Rearranging the equation, the mass of the solute equals the concentration times the volume. Substituting in the values from the question, the mass of the solute equals 38.5 times 0.15, which gives a mass of 5.78 grams of ethanoic acid. In answer to Part B, 1 mole of ethanoic acid equals 60 grams. Grams per decimeter cubed equals moles per decimeter cubed times the mass of 1 mole. Substituting in the values, 38.5 equals the moles per decimeter cubed times 60. Rearranging the equation, the moles per decimeter cubed equals 38.5 divided by 60. Therefore, the concentration of ethanoic acid is 0.64 moles per decimeter cubed.